Right, number 18. At what price will the quantity of the product supplied to the market equal the quantity of the product demanded by the market? All right. So we want to know at what price will them be equal to each other. Okay, so we want the supply to equal to the demand. And we know the first equation is a supply function. The second one's a demand function, and we want them to be equal. So we can just go ahead and set them equal to each other, right? So we'll take the two functions and just say 1/2 p plus 40, and so this should equal to 220 minus p, like that. Okay, so we'll set them equal to each other, and then we can solve for p using this equation here. Okay, so to solve for p, what we could do is you can do a plus p on both sides. Okay, so the minus p and plus p will cancel out there on the right. So what we have here is 1/2 p plus p. That will be 1.5, right? Okay, it'll be 1.5, so it'll be 1.5 pretty much. So you can rewrite that as 1.5 p plus 40 equal to 220. Okay, and then we can do minus 40 on both sides. We got 1.5 p equal to 220 minus 40. Use our calculator, that's 180. And lastly, solve for p divided by 1.5. Right, and that should give us the answer. P equal to 180 divided by 1.5 is 120. Okay, so P is 120, and that should be our answer, which is letter B. Okay, for this question, we could also try out the answer choices. Okay, so for each one, we can plug in P for each equation and see if we get the same number in the end, right? So that will also work. Okay, so our final answer should be B.